Hello there everyone and welcome back. So today guys I want to talk about how to clean a car without using any kind of buckets. We're going to use in total 40 liters of water in the two canisters that I've just showed you. One jar is about 25 liters and the other one is 15. And the big part of the car cleaning is the wheels and the wheel arches themselves, and we're going to start with that first. So what you want to do is you can pre-rinse the wheels and wheel arches if you want. I just, in this case, just went straight with the all-purpose cleaner and the snow foam lens application, which helps to boost the power or helps the all-purpose cleaner to stick for a bit longer. And I use a Viking brush to agitate the inner barrel. It's my new brush, by the way, because my old EZ brush, it simply got worn off. And as you can see in here, we're not using no kind of bucket to soak in our brushes, because it's simply in between cleaning the wheels, you can rinse them off with your pressure washer or whatever you use, or a garden hose if you like, just to get the dirt off, not to apply the next wheel. And I'm pretty much using 3 brushes on the wheel and tires, and I'm not using an inner barrel brush to clean the inner barrel. So next step is just to rinse off the wheels using a white stream of water. And what's cool about the worx Hydro Shot, it has this 0 degrees it has this attachment when you can regulate the width of the spray, and the 0 degrees direct kind of stream of water really helps with pressure, and it knocks off the dirt quite well, especially the carpeted area of the wheel well. So now I'm just pre-spraying the car with Built Hamburg Touchless, which can be applied with a pump spray, and it's really easy and it's effective. There's not a lot of suds, so you don't have to waste a lot of water and rinsing them off, and it's a quite an effective chemical. It really leaves the surface clean after you pressure wash it, and there's virtually no dirt left, at least visually. So this is a process where we will spend about anywhere in the region of 5 to 10 liters of water, but it is kind of necessary to do. In general, I would probably use 15 to 20 liters of water for the wheels and the pre-wash. Maybe slightly more sometimes, it will all depend. The wheel arches do take a lot of water. And now what I'm doing is, you can use any car soap, but I have a pre-soaked microfiber towel. It's about 500 GSM, and I'm using meguiars Wash Plus to apply the car soap on. I regularly do these kind of stripped down kind of car soaps, or I use panel prep after I use a car soap to sort of remove all the oils that can be on the surface, just to achieve 100% cleanliness. And the thing here is as well, I don't use a bucket. I can use probably 3 to 4 of these mitts pre-soaked, and I can apply a soap directly onto the cloth itself, or I can pre-soak it in advance, put it in a bag, seal it, and then just wash the car with the soap soaked in it, so you don't have to use any buckets. And this has multiple sides on it, so you can flip it, and simply as soon as it gets dirty, which it doesn't really up until you move to the lower half, it doesn't get dirty at all, to be honest. There's not that much dirt after the pre-wash, because the pre-wash chemical is very, very effective. It only picks up dirt underneath the wheel arch itself. And pretty much, as you can see, I use a lot of buffing actions, because this is a soap with abrasives in it, so But you can use any soap. The best one to use probably is the rinseless wash, because you won't even have to rinse off the rinseless solution. That's why it's called rinseless. But in here, because I have soap, I need to rinse it off and get rid of it. So it makes the process easier. You don't have to carry a bucket. All you need is just, you know, canisters of water, which you're going to carry it anyway if you're using this setup. Now I'm just using the spray wax to dry the car, all in one, nice and easy. And you know, I'll make a separate video on waxes and the process that I'm doing right now, like stripping down the dirt, stripping down everything pretty much of the surface, and then pre-applying the waxes. The idea is that we need a virgin clean surface. We want the surface to be very clean, but the waxes these days are really easy to apply, and the formulas have moved on quite a lot, the technology of the waxes and the technology of the application. So you can see I'm applying a wax on a wet surface, and it's a great wax from turtle wax. It really is saturated and it will protect the surface, at least in between washes. It's quite potent. On the windows, I just use a quick detailer with some wax in it again to reduce that friction. Same wax I use on the wheels to make it easier for me to clean them next time and give them a shine as well. They need a little touch up every time you wash them. And last but not least will be the tire lotion, whatever you want to call it. This one particularly from Glim, I love it. You can apply it on a wet tire. And as you can see, the surface is very clean. And although the car is swirled, has a lot of swirls in it, matter of fact, it looks it looks like as if it was polished. So this is pretty much a non-bucket, zero bucket cleaning method. Really easy and really simplified. So thank you for watching the video, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next videos.